Jeff from Cinco Ranch has a question about AC replacement.
He's replacing the outside units, Tom, because they flooded. Jeff writes, I have a 4-ton for downstairs and a 3-ton for upstairs. He says the house is 3,100 square feet and the downstairs works great, but upstairs, not so much. The temperature's like 78 degrees during the day, in the summertime, that is, and he has a radiant barrier up there too. So he wants to know, Tom, should he go with like a 3.5-ton upstairs or stick with what he's got? And by the way, he also wants to know, should he replace the coils in the attic just because the outside unit's flooded?
You don't have to replace the coils in the attic because of the flood. Now, if you're going to go to a different size condensing unit outside, you might have to change not only the evaporator coil on that upstairs unit, but maybe even the air handler too. Because the air handler has the motor in there that blows the air through it. You have the CFMs that are going to be required for the size of unit you have. The evaporator coil has to match your unit outside.
What's a CFM?
Cubic feet per minute of airflow.
All right.
That was tough. Okay, I'm done now.
Pop quiz.
Anyway, so it's going to have to all match up. So I'm not sure. Now, if the evaporator coil will match a 3.5 ton and you're going to bump it up a half ton or so, that's great. But it's usually going to have to be replaced. So if you do the upstairs, you just want it to work better, replace the whole unit. Downstairs, if you get a matching condenser unit for what you've already had, the 4-ton, I do believe that'll be fine.
Yeah, I think it's 4 down, 3 up.
Yep.
And he wants to kind of split the difference. Go 3.5. All right, so if he goes 3.5, he's putting money in the attic.
I have a feeling you're going to replace the whole thing. Don't just replace the condenser, because putting a bigger unit outside doesn't necessarily mean you're going to get better results inside. And sometimes it just won't match.
No.
They need a match.
And you got to get, do a Chuck Woolery thing. Love connection.
2 and 2.
2 and 2. There it is.
Okay.
Got a question?
Moving on.
We'd love to answer your questions. Send it to us at HomeShowRadio.com. Check out our videos over here. Oh, yeah, and subscribe to our channel.